YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Rusty with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mom, because we litty. So I'm whispering because y'all bought this what is it, like an electro type of massager thing. So I'm gonna get my mom's first initial reaction. I hope y'all can hear me. So I bought this electro thing. I want to get her reaction. It's gonna be funny. So we're gonna go downstairs, and I'm in my pajamas. I got my scarf on. Don't mind that. I look crusty. It's Sunday. I'm chilling. So we about to go. Let's go.
Mama Rare.
It's Sunday, y'all. We look crazy.
Rare Secrets done got Mama Rare something, y'all. Mama Rare at that age, honey, where she got this hurting shoulder.
Tell the people how old you are, Mom.
I'm 53, but I feel like I'm 63. And like I said, Rare Secrets done got me something again. Hopefully it's gonna help. Cause y'all, I'm tired of going to work and outside smelling like Ben Gay. All that stuff. I have on a patch.
All right, Mom.
Ben Gay and all that.
Okay, girl. This is a reaction. So lift up your arm. Where do it be hurting?
Right here.
So.
That's cold as hell.
Mom.
Sorry, y'all.
Just ghetto. So I'm gonna get your reaction.
I don't feel nothing.
Girl, they on.
Oh,
Calm
okay.
down. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. And y'all YouTubers, don't say nothing about my arm, because I ain't in the mood for y'all stuff.
Ma, they know we pretty,
I'm just letting them know.
cute, and we got a football.
And if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't get on here and say nothing.
Because there's dudes out here that like footballs, like chalupas.
Because I'm with the shenanigans, y'all.
All right, Mom. Ghetto. So this is her first reaction.
I don't feel nothing.
Ma, can I turn it on? Hold on.
I'm feeling something. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
I'm feeling it. Okay. I like that the other one. It was just like I'm feeling that.
Do it hurt?
Feel like I'm getting a tattoo.
Ma, you don't have that tattoo.
I know, but I said it feel like I'm getting one. I like that. This on number 3. Mm-hmm. Y'all, we got something. So can I wear this to work?
Yeah, you can, but I gotta get more patches because I don't know. Hold on, it's getting blurry.
Feel like a little electric shock going on.
I know, that's what I told him. Hold on, y'all. Wait, no. So, y'all, my mom has a defibrillator. It shouldn't, but I'll research it.
Y'all, how she gonna get something for me and then research it?
Oh, take it off.
Girl, that was pinching it. It was like, Girl, that number 4 or 5 was like, I ain't like that one.
Don't You want me to do it again?
Hell no. Put it on you and let you see how it feel.
No, I didn't like it. I had it on my forearm.
But what number did you have it on?
I had it on 2.
Just try it on 4 real quick.
No.
Girl, it's painful.
That's not good. Try one more time for the folks. No, because
check that out. Just
Yeah.
make sure I don't do nothing for my.
Oh gosh, I ain't trying to take your
you know
body
my
here.
defibrillator go. It's like right here.
Oh gosh, they about to be a witness to a crime.
Fuck you up.
Mom, we still recording.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh gosh.
Sorry, y'all.
Tell them goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
Goodbye. Y'all, we're back. We had to take a brief intermission. I know in my last video I said this would be something that's good, but we just did an experiment that didn't go too good. Definitely wouldn't recommend this to anybody that has like health problems, especially like a defibrillator, because it could make you go into shock if you're getting, because it's basically, now that I read to comprehend and not just to read to be reading, it's sending electricity, like, type of pulses wherever you put it at. Y'all, I just put it on my forearm at 3, and my hand was literally stuck doing the Spider-Man. Like, I could not move my hand. It was stuck doing the Spider-Man, and it just kept jumping. So
and y'all, she had it on number 4 on Mama Rear, and I thought I was about to go having a heart attack, and I thought my defibrillator was gonna shock me.
I didn't know. So yeah, that's an item that I would definitely pass up. Cheap ain't always better. Maybe just get an old-fashioned heating pad or something like that. But y'all, literally,
just put some Bengay on and keep it pushing.
That stuff stinks.
I don't care.
Literally, y'all, my hand was stuck like this. My spidey senses was definitely tingling. So yeah, I definitely would not recommend this little item. Good day, folks.